Abekire emeroberio Ogotanga okwambukira ku Oborwaire bwa trypanosomiasis nkorengina alisoma buya obwibokorentwa wetera hokurumwa n'Echimbogo okwana nabarikia mang'ana omowaziri hotenente wizara y'oboremi Mutahi Kagwe nigo bono atebire buna Oborwaire obwo nigo bose nigo bwairire ense ya Kenya gutumika gwetana chibilioni 15 okera omwaka ase okurwania Oborwaire bwase chikaunti wetana 35
highlight the problem of flies in Kenya. Flies infest 38 out of our 47 counties in Kenya. And these are spread around the country. We have 7 fly belts, which are named as follows. We have Western Kenya, we have Nyanza, both of them originally under Lake Basin, Belt, Lake Victoria Basin. We have Meru Mwea in central Kenya. We have Lake Bogoria region that covers North Rift and also South Rift, the region of Masai Mara. We have North Coast and South Coast. All these counties where this Belt covers, they stride 38 counties.
Don't listen to views. In fact, the entire research area is in response to what we ask our scientists to help us with. And what we are telling them today is that the world has substantially moved on. We have got technology that can help us do a lot of things. And for me, what I threw at them is just imagination. And to say, let us imagine things that don't exist today. And imagine that those things can be helpful to us. And the challenge that I threw at them is to say that science and technology is helping us, for example, in mosquitoes. You can plug a mosquito repellent gadget and it repels mosquitoes. So the challenge I'm throwing at them is to say, look, can we get to a point where we use science to produce substances that will repel flies, and maybe they're already doing it. I don't